Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Realme Narzo 50 Pro. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. And then when it's ready, click open, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions for the app. Then there's battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it on. And from here you can start using your browser. So there's 4 tabs: user, system, active and settings. In user you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can find all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape or a placement on the screen. There's ads as you can see, but let's skip it, and here we can click test button to check out the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.